traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the Euro dollar is still pushing up a little bit, as you can see. I still believe that right there is the end of a correction on the monthly time frame, and I still believe that this is going to end up continuing the uptrend. I still believe it's going to go up and take out these highs and probably end up all the way up at around the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected off what I believe to be a wave 2. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where I do believe that this move up right here is a wave 1. I think this is an expanding flat for a wave 2, and I think that this is all part of a subdivision of that wave 3, which like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely had the end of a correction the other day. As you can see, we are back up at the previous high, so I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we did have a pullback, but I do believe on these higher time frames that we will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. I believe that this is probably all part of a wave 1 of wave 3 on the longer time frames. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely have a pullback. As you can see, we had some euro news this morning. It was a little bit negative for the euro, but to me it still looks extremely clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. I think this is a 4, and it seems like we would push up one more time for a wave 5, then probably up near these highs. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually made a decent pullback, especially with the fact that we are going into a holiday pretty soon, which is Christmas. But the fact that we have such a big turn on the weekly, monthly, and daily to the upside tells me that there's always a possibility that this just keeps on making higher highs and higher lows. So I am for sure just going to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up, the last little series of higher highs, higher lows. I am definitely looking for three-way pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces. I'm looking for impulsive moves up. Kind of looks to me like we may already have that move. I think this is a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2. I think this is a 3. We may perhaps have the end of a wave 4. I mean, it could possibly stretch out more. But I am definitely looking for longs either way, like I said. I mean, the next move up could be a wave 5, and then it could turn down again. But we don't really know that to be true for sure. I mean, it could easily just keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows, especially because I think we have the end of a correction on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.